Twin sisters founded Twin X Innovation and invented digital X-ray glasses when one of their soccer teammates got injured during a match and needed an X-ray scan, and they say the rest is history.
Good day, everyone. I would like to extend my greetings to esteemed guests, learners, and the house at large. My name is Matlhogonolo and Mphahlele. I'm a student pilot. I'm the inventor of digital X-ray glasses and also the director of Twin X Innovation, which is a newly established company where we will be producing and manufacturing the digital X-ray glasses.
My name is Masego Mphahlele. I'm a flight attendant and also the innovator of innovation in digital X-ray glasses and the founder of Twin X Innovation. Just to tell you a little background of who we are, we grew up in Hammanskraal. It is known as a rural area. Growing up in Hammanskraal is challenging because when we started with the project, we were not exposed to resources such as innovation hubs, and we got a lot of criticisms from our peers growing up.
My sister and I made strides. We received a lot of recognition, especially media recognition. I remember our first TV interview was at Morning Live, and we were so excited. We did a lot of radio interviews and also magazine interviews. My twin sister and I won the Mail and Guardian 200 Young South Africans, and also were the spotlight speakers at Forbes Women's Summit. We were also onboarded by Brand SA as Play Your Part ambassadors. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you digital X-ray glasses.
So we started with the innovation in 2019 when my twin and I were playing soccer and one of our teammates got hurt. We had to accompany her to the hospital. So unfortunately, when we got there, we had to wait long hours just for her to get an X-ray scan. So seeing her and all the other patients waiting tiredly just for an X-ray scan, we wished there was a portable device we can use to take an X-ray scan on the spot. So later on that year, we were introduced to an innovation competition called Eskom Expo. So we looked back on the incident, and that's when we came up with the concept of digital X-ray glasses. Our first prototype, we used a pair of welding glasses, and we built a circuit around it just to illustrate the idea. And somehow the innovation was inspired by this. I don't know if you guys remember the episode Phineas and Ferb. We didn't win the Eskom Expo competition, but we still kept the idea because we were motivated by the following words by the great Thomas Edison. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up, but the most certain way to succeed is to just try one more time.
In 2022, my twin sister and I presented our digital X-ray glasses globally in Turkey, Istanbul. We won in South Africa, Red Bull Basement, South Africa, against 143 ideas all over the country. And then that's when thank you. And that's when we went to Turkey, Istanbul, and became part of the top 3. I live by a quote by the great Nelson Mandela, which says, "It always seems impossible until it is done." People didn't believe we can turn a whole big X-ray machine into a pair of glasses, and we believed in our idea. We believed that we can make this idea a reality. As you can see, this is our current prototype. Just to give you more information about how it works and what it is. The digital X-ray glasses are a pair of glasses that uses specialized technology. They are portable, and we are replacing the traditional X-ray machines that take up the whole space in hospitals. So we made it into a pair of glasses. They are portable and will be more accessible, especially on sports field and also clinics. I'm sure many of our clinics don't have X-ray machines. So we're trying to make services in hospitals, clinics, like medical service more quick and more efficient. So we came up with this idea, and it's gonna change the whole medical industry and make medical professionals work more easy.
So how it works is it has a camera outside and a screen inside. So when the medical practitioner puts on the glasses and when the camera is exposed to the hand, it captures an image and the special software interprets the image and you can actually see the result inside the screen. And that result is then recorded and you can see in the doctor's computer or laptop. As you can see here, it's a scan that we took with this prototype. Currently, it's not taking clear scans, but I'm sure with great investment, we can produce a proper one.
Digital X-ray glasses are here to simplify medical profession, and I just want to say to everyone that whatever idea that you have, believe in your idea, believe in yourself, and also remember that your background does not determine your future.
Okay, so for the future of the project, we're hoping to see it in clinics, in sports fields, and also in first aid kits like the AED. And also we need funding from NGOs, the Department of Health, the Department of Science and Technology. So just to leave you with a few words, success is not an accident. Success is learning, perseverance, hard work, determination, and most of all, the love of what you're doing and what you're learning to do.
We thank you.
I need a more lively clap. These ladies are amazing. Much better. Okay, we have mics that are going to be roaming around because you are here. I will not allow for nobody to ask questions because I have so many questions for these ladies. So please put your hands up if you have a question. Do you have any questions? And while we get those mics to you guys, I'm curious to know, where does the link between flight, because you both are clearly have an interest in airplanes, and creating a prototype like this, where did that link come from?
In terms of the aviation industry, being a pilot has always been my dream. So in high school, we had a passion of creating something that could help our community. So with that, we did research and then we created the X-ray glasses. So I thought maybe, okay, how about I mix both my aviation career and my innovative mind.
And also, it can be helpful in the aviation industry.
Yes.
Because I'm a flight attendant, and one of my pre-flight checks before a flight is we check the AED. So it can be helpful to check the digital X-ray glasses.
With this?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. It's as simple as that. Okay. Our first question, I think we had a question over there. Where? Okay, over here.
Hi.
Hi.
Great initiative you guys are on. Just two questions, like a hybrid question. What is your capex cost on, building one of your products? Two, have you looked at private venture builders for support? If you haven't, you can chat to me. And then three, where do you guys see this going? In the next 5 years?
Okay, so our first prototype, we were sponsored by Red Bull, so it cost us 25,000. So to build the second one, because we need more materials like a filter so that it can show clear scans, we will need about 100,000 because they are very expensive.
And also to answer where do we see our project in 5 years. From here, we're still developing another prototype, which we hope to launch in October. And in 5 years, we want to see it in medical bags, like the AED. We want X-ray machines to be more user-friendly and more accessible to anyone, regardless where you are. You are at the sport field, you are at the, maybe by looking at the military side, yeah.
And also mining.
Wow. Well, it's so beautiful to hear that you ladies even have a clear strategy. You know exactly what it is you need. You know how much you need. And it's all about, you have a call to action as well. And it's about being on platforms like this, like SAS or TechnoX, where first of all the kids in this room can be inspired. But, you know, we have the potential investors that you can meet. Thank you so much. Can we please give it up for them one more time?